Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on TradeLocker. Right now we have here the Bitcoin to USD chart and we want to create a stop loss order right here. So what we're going to do is we click here on this arrow and then we click here on market, buy, and then we select stop loss. Then from now we can fill in here the stop loss mark. So let's say when it will hit 85k, I want to move my position, and he needs to stop our losses and throw it out of it. Then from here we can also change it by a loss, or we can change it by percentages, what we want. And we select right here now the lots. So let's say we want to do this for 0.5 lots. And now if we click here on buy, we buy our position on the market with a nice stop loss right here. So this is how you can create a stop loss on the market. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.